Hi everyone, we will make this pretty bracelet from the beads. For the two color of beads, black and white, we will do brick waves from the beads. Like and subscribe to my channel. We need materials, thread 1 mm and two color of beads, number 10, white and black. We need needle, a lock. I have scheme of weaving. You can see in this weaving we must do 7 rows. We left 20 centimeters of thread. We need 2 beads, white beads. Going like this. Then we need 1 white and 1 black bead. Enter under the throat. And go from the black bead up. One bead white, going like this, and going from this bead up. Third row, always start with 1 white and 1 black bead, going under the throw and going up from the black bead. Like this. 1 black, going under their throat. From this, 1 black bead. 1 white bead. And going up, white bead. Take 1 white bead and 1 black bead. Enter, pass under the throw. One white bead. Pass under the thread and enter in this bead. 1 black bead. One white bead, pass on under the thread and go into the bead. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 white, 1 black. We pass under the thread. Enter in the black bead. One white bead. And again 1 white bead. one black bead, enter in this black bead one white bead, pass under the throw and go into this white bead. 6th row, we need one white and one black beads. Enter from the black bead, then we need white bead, enter up the needle, then we get a one black bead, enter it, one white bead, enter from the through it, one black bead, enter from this black bead, one white bead, going up from this white bead. 7th row, one white, one black bead. You can see we always start with one white and one black bead. Then we need one white bead, enter it, one white, one black bead, enter, again one black bead, enter, one white bead, one black bead, one white bead, enter from this white bead. You can see we will do 7 rows. When we look of the scheme of weaving, I will do same row from the 4 row to the 7 row, again and again for the end of the bracelet. Then we will do next steps. You throw down from the black bead and we enter from the white bead and start weaving from the 4 row. We need one white and one black bead, and we go from the black bead, one white bead, one black bead, one white bead. We did 4 rows. Now we will do again and again from the 4 to the 7th row. I make a bracelet from my arm. We left 20 centimeters of throat. We need a needle and we need 3 white bead. Then we need a lock, and we need 3 white bead, and enter from the another white bead. Now we going around all of this bead. I go 3 times. We not need throw. We enter under the throw and do like this. One and 2 times. Second time. Go from this black bead cut a throw and we will do same from the another side, but I will do from the black bead, going from these beads to the black bead. No, we go in here and then we must go from the black bead like this. Get 3 beads, then chain, and then 3 beads, then enter from this black bead and go over like we do with another side. Cut so much pretty bracelet. We need just beads. If you want, you can make earrings from this bracelet. Thank you all of you. If you like this bracelet, like and subscribe for my channel. Bye bye.